created disco.
Seasoned, don't imagine.
Like handful of brains.
Don't imagine.
No.
Jack Sparrow. Can I catch you?
Let me love you by Mario.
What is it?
Let me love you by Mario.
Oh, of course we know this one. You enjoying being here?
Once it dried, you can make a layer. Can you see still dance? Still dance? Or you can use this like a Play-Doh. You need to mix well. The white parts and the black parts, you need to mix well until they become gray.
I'm really into my songs at the minute are so good. I just like that.
You know what I hate about like these young rappers is when they go do like all this stuff like PR and it's like 20 girls versus a young talent. He's minor and you put music. Good, how are you? Yeah.
I've not seen this.
No?
Yeah, better. Yeah, I have.
Okay.
You have medication to stop.
Yeah, I'm medicated now.
Yeah, like he would go do like stuff like like 20 versus 3-1.
Sure.
Yeah.
Like would be him
Yeah,
versus
festival은?
like him and
Only
Minor,
AJ knows it, no?
like dating like swipe left.
Yeah.
or right.
Oh.
Like,
How do you call this again?
it's like
긴지기?
it's like him and Minor.
Ah.
You know?
Wait, who
Who
was
was
it?
Tyler? I think. I mean, I don't think he is. He's probably 18 now.
I feel like that's such an issue about like women that are raised about it and stuff.
Yeah. Especially in like, he's like, he wouldn't want, he's like, he wouldn't want to hold a woman female.
It's great, huh?
I'm just going to put it here.
That was another one. What was his name? He was literally a child. Yeah. I know he's black.
See here.
I always like rap.
Bill Bella. I watched that movie the other day.
You are T.
This.
Yeah. Like, you listen, he's literally a child.
Yeah, it's not good. I don't know if the Alchemist stuff is. Been using heaps of AI for all this stuff.
Was he?
Yeah. Now,
Yeah. Griselda.
And wait until it's dried. It become hard.
That's like,